I'm just gonna say to Dan Mardayaw, J. Silva says to me, isang tao gumagawa ng fake account ng Rodelio Daguman or Kuya Rodelio Daguman, I mentioned. Danmar, when I criticize against you, you need to stop creating fake account in Facebook. It's Holy Week. You know what you're doing, puro ka lang kaguluhan para sirain si Cedric. Please, Danmar, don't create lots of mess. Look at my former friend, Teacher Vincent Ramos. He doesn't like a mess. Ayaw niya kasi gulo. For me, Danmar, stop it already. You know what you're doing. I don't like too much toxicity. I don't want too much hoaxes or something. You remember the hoax? I don't like too much hoax. I don't like too much cyberbullying. You're bullying at Rodelio. You know, Danmar, Rodelio, Kuya Rodelio is nothing do about against Cedric. Alright? Because he's a cerebral palsy. You know me, I criticize Dan Mardayaw if you don't delete the fake account of Rodelio Daguman, I will shoot you a pellet gun into your eye, Danmar. This is what I threatened to Paulo Cruzada. You need to deactivate it. For me, at the time when I made the fake account of Teacher Vincent Ramos, when my parents scolded me, I deactivate the fake account of Teacher Vincent. This is all my fault. Unlike you, Danmar, i-deactivate mo na ang fake account ng Rodelio Daguman. I am warning you, do not harass Kuya Rodelio Daguman that he's not doing anything. As you can see, you will be happen just like Carlo Orencia. I'm telling you. I know you're the one who invited me in Zoom meeting in Hats Inclusion Philippines. I was alongside with Ronald Rebena. I was alongside with Cedric Mariano, Carlos Kanahashi, Tera Francisco, and Matthew C. And during pandemic, I was being interviewed by Roylan. Marlang, do not do that to Rodelio. Roylan said to me, masisira ang buhay ni Rodelio, like I said. Masisira yon, magagalit yun ng kung sino naman nang gumawa ng fake account. Like, if you make fake account, it will be get you in angry. Do not make fake account. I'm just gonna say to all of you, those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, such as Sangkay Janjan, Eskel Penumbra, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil, Barbie Pabelo, and including Romeo TV Vlog, Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. All of you should stop creating fake accounts. It's not good. Look at Ate Mel Canete, one of the teacher agency DIFI. She's a Duterte supporter, Ate Mel. She never create fake account. Just like what I said. Wag ganon, I say to Danmar. You know what? I was told by Ate Rona, Ate Rona, she said to me, Ate Rona says to me, oh, you have to be responsible in Facebook. I say to her, magiging responsible ako sa paggamit ng Facebook. You need to be responsible, Danmar. Look at my friend Jude Goles. He never make fake account. Look at everyone. They're not making fake account in Facebook. Do I make fake account? No. It's 2026, Danmar. You have too much talking about politics. You have talking about nonsense. When I was told by Jerick Silva last night, may isang tao gumawa ng fake account ng Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Kung hindi, si Danmar Dayaw yon. Like I said, it was you. Don't make fake account. Me, I've been talk with Jerick Silva. I apologize to Teacher Gia Malana and Teacher Vincent Ramos. I was being doctrined by Marcos loyalist. I say to Jerick, na brainwash ako ng mga bobong Marcos loyalist para gawaan ng fake account ni Teacher Vincent Ramos at Teacher Gia Malana. That was last 2021 in pandemic. That was over the after pandemic in 2024. Parang sila. Like I said, it's not really good. For me, why I left the Marcos loyalist. This is why what's really happened to Rodrigo Duterte. He was arrested by ICC with the coordination with Bangag. That's why with their coordination with Bangag to arrest Rodrigo Duterte. Bongo wants to receive a pizza because I know Rodrigo Duterte wants to eat pizza in the Villamor Air Base. They did not allow. Because I know that Bangag Bongbong Marcos is a thief. Danmar, magnanakaw yon. Why you praise the thief? Why you being yourself doctrine by a Marcos loyalist who was a thief, Danmar? You know what? You better to deactivate that fake account of Rodelio Daguman. You're the one who ruined that Cedric Mariano to frame me, to frame David Gill. You, Eskel Penumbra, you're the one who create Rocky Tulog to framing me up. I was asked by Teacher Gio Malana. I thought it was you. I apologize, Teacher Gio Malana. It's nothing to do against me. And as you can see, who create Rocky Tulog? It was you, Eskel Penumbra. Both of you are responsible. Danmar Dayaw and Eskel Penumbra, both of you have never listened to your mother. To your mother, Danmar. Even your mother, Eskel Penumbra. Even you didn't listen to your wife, Kel Pabelo, Teacher Kel. You didn't listen to Roylan Marlang. Puro kayo manira, like I said, puro kayo ganyan, like you're ruining the reputation of others to framing me up. What did I did to David Gill? I never nothing to did to David Gill. Wala naman akong ginawa kay David Gill. Like I said, I have nothing to do about to David Gill. That I ruin his art of Cedric. Did I attack David Gill or hack that Facebook account of David Gill? I have nothing to do. That is cause of Slandering. You know, Danmar, you don't know about slandering. You're slandering Kuya Rodelio Daguman that he has nothing to do against Cedric. Oh, that is slandering.